Today we are going to draw a cute parrot together. Now let's draw with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. Get your pencils and papers ready, and let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Leave some space in the middle for the beak. Now, inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Then draw the beak. Draw a small triangle or curved shape in the middle for the beak. Awesome job! Draw 2 big circles for the eye patches around each eye. Draw 2 curves under the eyes for cheeks. Now draw the head. Draw a round shape around the eyes for the head. Draw the cheeks look round and puffy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then draw the body. Draw a small round or oval body under the head. Draw the wings. Draw 2 wings on the sides using curved shapes. Now let's draw the tail. Draw a small tail at the back. Draw the feet. Draw 2 small feet with tiny toes. Draw feathers on its wings. Add some details on its belly. Coloring time. Now you can color your drawing with using bright and fun colors like the reference photo. Great job! I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what animal you want to draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.